Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. In today's practice, we're going to show you how to create an ebook page with download and preview buttons using MetaBox and Oxygen. I have a page here as an example. As you can see, this page shows the product's detailed information along with two buttons. The first one allows directly downloading a PDF file. And the second button is to view it online. Each ebook will be a unique post of a custom post type. The name of the ebook and its image are the title and featured image of the post. To store the PDF file, we'll use a custom field provided by MetaBox. Stay tuned and I will show you how it's done. I use Oxygen to build the page. You should use its 3.9 version or higher, which has native integration with MetaBox. The next one is the MetaBox Core plugin, which provides a framework to create custom post types and custom fields. You can download it directly from WordPress.org. We'll need some extensions for the advanced features. You can install them individually or use MetaBox all-in-one to have them all. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. MB Custom Post Type to create a custom post type for the ebook. And MetaBox Builder to have a UI on the back end to create custom fields. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type for the ebooks. After publishing, you'll see a new item appear. It's your post type. Let's create custom fields. I'll create only one custom field to store the PDF file of the ebook. So choose the file advanced type to save this kind of data. This file will be used for both download and preview buttons. Next, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Post Type. And then select ebook to apply this field to this post type. Go to the post editor, you will see the created custom fields. Just fill in the information. Here is some ebook that I created as examples. Now create a template for the ebook page. Next, create the page. Set the created template here to apply it to this page. Then, edit the template with Oxygen. Remember to set a preview. Select the section component to cover the page content. Then add a heading. And insert data from the page title. We will display all the ebook first, then add buttons later. Inside the section, add a repeater component to get all the posts of the ebook post type. Go to the query section to choose the source of data. Choose Custom. And set the post type as ebook to get posts from this post type. Inside the repeater, there will be a div. Let's add some elements into this div to display the ebook information. First, add an image component. And insert data from the featured image of the post. You can change the settings of the div a little bit to put the ebook into columns and see all the images. For the name of the books, add a text component. Then insert data from the post title. For the book description, use the text as well. And insert data from post content. Go ahead to create the buttons. Add a button component. Change the button label in this box. In the URL setting, click on this icon to insert data from the custom field to this button. Choose Meta Box Field option. Then select the name of the field that we used to store the PDF file. This action just helps to embed the URL of the PDF file into the button. To allow users to download the file from it, we should add an attribute to this button. This is an HTML attribute. That's done for the download button. For the preview button, do the same way. Add button component. Set the label. Insert URL from the field that stores the PDF file. It's a little bit different with the download button. There is no need to add any attribute as well as any action for this button. Just leave it as it is now. The file will be open to view when people click on this preview button. Now, just change the settings of each component to have a better look for them. This is the result. That's the end of today's tutorial. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.